It stopped filming when I did that, so I guess this is a separate unboxing and installation.
Yep.
Which is fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Hopefully it doesn't stop on me again. It is dangerous to try to get the files off of it while it is filming, but you know me, I live on the edge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You know where I drove past the other day?
No, what?
That Firestone that has unions, pointed motor union gold lines.
Oh, yeah.
In Milwaukee.
Yeah.
They were closed, otherwise I would have inquired about the fan.
Oh. Okay.
But you should go inquire about the fan, or I
Yeah.
should go someday when when they're open.
Like to. Yeah, my schedule just doesn't call for me to see them when they're open, because...
Yeah, and I gotta go find that wallpaper store that has the Union Gold lines, too.
What wallpaper store?
I told you about it, and you couldn't find it. It's across the street from the Thai place.
From the...
So from a Thai restaurant, that's all I know. I was trying to find a good Thai restaurant that was open when my favorite Thai restaurant was closed due to COVID.
Oh.
And unfortunately, this place was not great.
Yeah.
But it did have a Union Gold line across the street, so it was in Tosa.
Okay, in Tosa.
Yeah, I sent you the address, but then you tried to find it and couldn't.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the Emerson has now been uploaded. So now let's see if we can get these files off of the camera without... Let's see if they will transfer. And if not, then we'll just have to do it another time. He's looking at it really closely.
Okay, I'm just trying to see. Yeah, there's like these bumps on the ends of the blade arms. I don't know if I put them in properly.
I would assume so because it was balanced perfectly, but
Yeah.
if I can show you how they go in. It's the same as the one we tested before, as the premium we tested before.
Yeah.
They just sit in the flywheel.
Yeah.
And then the rest of it sits flush.
Well, sure. There's some.
And you know, I've told you I find it easy. I put the first screw in, but I don't tighten it, and then I put the second screw in, and then you kind of let it sit how it's supposed to sit, and then you tighten them.
Yeah, that is how I did it. So. Okay.
It's copying. It says it's gonna take an hour, but it's copying.
Mm-hmm.
Mama. Almost got it.
Going in. The threads aren't gripping.
Sometimes the threads in these are not well cut. But I believe in you. I believe you can make it in. Transfer working? Yeah, 12% completed. It's working.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this cord is the real MVP. Oh no. We got a snow notification for Monday.
Why do they always make it like a blizzard warning when it's just like flurries? They act like we're getting a 3-foot blizzard.
Or no, well, they told it's 1.5 to 2 inches for Monday is what they're predicting right now. I'm just glad it's not Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
I don't think I have anywhere to go on Monday. Let me check my calendar. Calendar.google.com. Let's see. No, Monday I have nothing. Tuesday I have my show. Yeah. Wednesday, if I hear back from what's his face, I talked about doing that. Thursday I have a legal appointment. Friday I have a dentist appointment. Free Saturday, work Sunday. I have a doctor's appointment the next week. Now he's taking the first blade.
Yep.
You watch as he inserts it into the flywheel. Yeah, so those little pokey things at the end are supposed to sit in the flywheel and grip.
Okay.
You want me to show you?
I think I got it.
Okay.
Got it now, but the last one they are like pushing up or getting pushed up or something.
Yeah, they're supposed to sit flush.
Yeah, these aren't. These don't do that. They
Well, they will if you line them up right.
Okay. Well, let me get my screwdriver then and get the screw. Okay. Wrong set of holes, I think.
That's what she said. Watch as Metal Peach removes the blade, only to reinsert the blade in the right set of holes. You got it figured out?
Yeah.
Watch as the wild metal Pete drops the screw. Here, let me show you.
Yeah, there is.
So, nice and scuffed there. So these, actually, let me do it my way.
Yeah,
We'll scoot over here just in case the cam blocking the camera. I don't know for sure.
Gotta make sure we get the right gap.
Oh, I know it's the right gap.
Thing I use.
Oh,
see,
almost dropped it.
This is why they need to be Phillips and not flatheads. Because Phillips is flat.
Hold the blade for me.
Okay.
Move it. Okay. You gotta move it over though. Move it over towards me.
Oh,
So this is why it got caught before. Okay. Here, hold it there. Okay, let go.
okay, here's the other one. Oh, why was it? Those tabs are like catching or not locked
Yeah,
in.
you have to make sure they're lined up.
Okay.
But
Flatheads just do not grip once I get adhesive to stick on this.
So watch as Metal Pete tightens the last screw.
Alright, time to make the video
Well, check it, make sure it's powered up and everything first, and just, you know.
Alright.
No surprises. Looks good to me. Okay, we're gonna stop this video and start the last video.
Okay.